If you knew for a fact that you could reach 100 years old with a sharp mind and an energized body, would you change what's on your plate today? Or are you still under the impression that longevity is just a genetic lottery? Have you ever wondered why people in the blue zones forget to visit the doctor even after they hit 90? What if I told you the secret isn't in a magic pill, but in the chemical reactions you trigger with every single bite you take? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Steve, an endocrinologist with 30 years of experience. Today we aren't just talking about healthy food. We're doing a deep dive into the specific foods that are scientifically proven to hardwire your metabolism, shield your cells from aging, and prime your hormonal system for longevity. We're going to look at 3 essential food groups, backed by meta-analyses and clinical trials. Let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation. The number 1 enemy of longevity is chronically high insulin. Research from Harvard Medical School confirms that controlling your glycemic index is the master key to protecting your arteries and your brain. In every longevity hotspot on Earth, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans are the dietary staple. Why does this matter to an endocrinologist? Resistant starch. They don't cause massive insulin spikes. This means your pancreas isn't working overtime. The microbiome. The fiber in legumes feeds the bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids. These compounds directly shut down systemic inflammation in your body. Doctor's tip: just 1 serving, about half a cup of legumes a day, is enough to slash your risk of metabolic syndrome by 20 to 30%. People spend thousands on juice cleanses, but real detox happens in your liver. For that, you need cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and arugula. These contain a powerhouse compound called sulforaphane. According to studies in the journal Cancer Prevention Research, this molecule activates phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver. This is the exact process that flushes out heavy metals, microplastics, and hormonal waste, like spent estrogen. If your liver is clogged with this biological trash, you'll feel chronic fatigue and face hormonal imbalances. Adding broccoli to your diet isn't just a suggestion, it's a cellular deep clean. Now let's talk about fats. Your longevity depends on the elasticity of your cell membranes. If the membrane is rigid, your hormones, like insulin or leptin, can't get the signal inside the cell. Extra virgin olive oil and wild-caught fatty fish, or walnuts, are the literal building blocks of these membranes. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Think of it as a protective shield against Alzheimer's and cardiovascular disease. When your cells can breathe and communicate efficiently, your entire endocrine system stabilizes. My final secret isn't about what you eat, but how you eat. In Okinawa, they follow a rule called hara hachi bu. Stop eating when you are 80% full. As a doctor, I'll tell you why this works biologically. It takes your brain about 20 minutes to receive the signal from the hormone leptin that you're fueled up. When you overeat, you overwhelm your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells. This creates oxidative stress that literally burns your tissues from the inside out. A slight calorie deficit combined with high nutrient density activates autophagy, the Nobel Prize-winning process of cellular self-cleaning. Let's wrap this up. Control your blood sugar with legumes. Support your liver with cruciferous greens. Protect your cells with the right fats. And never fill your stomach to the brim. Your body is a highly sophisticated biochemical laboratory. Give it the right raw materials, and it will serve you for 100 years or more. If you want more deep dives into how food controls your hormones, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Leave a comment below. Which of these foods is already in your kitchen, and which one are you adding tomorrow? I'm Dr. Steve. Invest in your health today so it can pay you dividends tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.